let's do problema. As I very briefly mentioned in episode 1, mano, nouns in Spanish come in two main flavors, masculine and feminine. I have some thoughts about this terminology, but it is what it is, and my thoughts about it are a subject for a future video. Anyways, to recap, masculine nouns take the particle el and usually end in o. Feminine nouns take the particle la and usually end in a. If a noun contradicts one of these patterns, then it is considered irregular and is super annoying to anyone studying the language. So what's the deal with problema? What's the problema, I guess you could say. Yeah, sorry. Anyways, it ends in a, so why is it considered a masculine noun? Well, just like with mano, the underlying issue has to do with the language of origin for the word. The difference is that, in this case, it's not Latin that caused this irregularity. You see, problema is a word of Greek origin. Not only that, but it ends in ma, and Greek nouns that end in ma are treated as masculine in Spanish. So if you see a masculine noun that ends in ma, there's a pretty good chance that it entered the language from Greek. Am I the only one that finds that interesting? Yes? Okay, I'll be quiet now. Okay, cool.